क्षणक्षुद्रघण्टानिनादाभिरामं चलत्ताण्डवोत्तण्डवत् पद्मतालं लसत्तुन्दिलाङ्गोपरिव्यालहारं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे ध्वनित्वं सवीणालयोलासि वक्त्रं स्फुरच्चुण्डदण्डोलसद्बीजपूरं गलद्गर्भसौगन्ध्यलोलालिमालं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे पारक्तरत्नप्रसूनं प्रवालं प्रभातारुणज्योतिरेकं प्रलम्बोदरं वक्रतुण्डैकदन्तं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे रत्नमाला किरीटं किरीटोलसच्चन्द्ररेखा विभूषं विभूषैकभूषं भवत्वं सहेतुं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे चद्भुजावल्लरी दृश्यमूलो चलद्भ्रूलता विभ्रमभ्राजदक्षं मरुत्सुन्दरी चामरैः सेव्यमानं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे निष्ठुरालोलपिङ्गाक्षितारं कृपाकोमलोदारलीलावतारं कलाबिन्दुगङ्गीयते योगिवर्ये गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे
My name is Juliana. I'm from Brazil. I came here in the beginning for the Ayurveda course for 1 month, but I ended up to combine with the yoga training teacher, and I must say that it was the best thing I could do. I really fell in love with the yoga, and Dr. Nitu and Dr. Vinod was very helpful to make me discover this new world and in this new lifestyle. Thank you very much.
I'm Gayatri from Assam, and I came for the Ayurveda course, and I've learned quite a lot of things about Ayurveda and therapy, and I hope I can take it forward from where I've learned and remember the 3 points that I've learned in Ayurveda, which is Aturaya Vikara Parsamanaha. And I thank all the teachers and all the staff who have looked after us, and I thank all the wonderful girls I've met.